I arrived here in the city of Leuven. And first I want to tell you a little bit about it. Because Leuven is kind of known for its universities and for their famous brewery. So, first of all, the universities are here for a long time. And apparently when they established the universities, a brewery came to the town too, because they figured out we're gonna make beer for the students. I don't know if that was the best idea, but that's the case, that's what they did. So this town, the city, is always known for its universities and its beer. And the beer that they make here is now actually world famous because they export it all over the world. I even think they have it in the Philippines. I'm not 100% sure, but I really think so, because they have it in America, Canada, all over the world basically. And yeah, that's what they did. So they wanted to inspire the students with beer. So let's go and see what is there to see in this city. You know, it's actually my first time coming here. It's not my first time coming here, but I never actually went around to take a look. So let's go see what there is to see. I guess they have a sunflower theme going on here. You know, every so often. Where there is a, no, everywhere. There's sunflowers everywhere. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is, but they're all over the place, I see. This is your kind of town, and sunflowers everywhere. Take a look. Didn't we meet his cousin last week in Brussels? I think so. Take a look at this building, guys. To be honest, it's a little bit over the top. But this is a city hall in this town, in this city. Look at it. It is carved like unbelievable. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but it's unreal. Oh, well, there you have it. And here on the other side is the church. Last time I saw a building like this. This is unreal. And all these statues and these figures that are carved on there or placed on there, they seem to be all different. I'm standing here for a while taking a look at all of them, and they seem to be all different. That's unreal. If you're talking about an elaborate building, well, this is definitely one. I really didn't know they had this here in this country. Last time I saw this, something like this, was in Italy, in Milan. The church in Milan. This looks close to similar to this. Wow. Patios are doing good today. Holy crap, look at that. So I think the idea is that every store gets his sunflower by the looks of it, because this is a more dense shopping street and there are sunflowers everywhere. Well, it's pretty summery. Summer is sunny. Sorry, summer is coming, hopefully. River crossing right again in the middle of the city. It continues right there, apparently. Let me go take a look. They're working everywhere, you know. Summertime comes, that's when they start working. Let me see. Oh yeah. That's pretty neat. There's a fast-flowing river, that's for sure. Looks like Amsterdam here with all the bicycles, or in Holland. And if you cannot find your bike in here, take a look. Let's paint it red so it stands out in the crowd. Look at that, honey. There you go. This looks like a nice street. Also, lots of restaurants. I see further down actually. Pretty neat. Very cozy with all the restaurants and the nice cafes. And let me take a look here. Looks like more patios out there. Oh wow, look at that. All the way, patio. Not as busy as the other place, but pretty neat. That is an old pharmacy. Oh, look at that. It's almost as old as the glove store in Antwerp. For some reason I always run into those weird stores for some reason. Look what they sell here, guys. This is the weirdest thing. Look, they sell stuffed rats. That's what they sell. Look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but they sell a part of a vertebra on a stand. They sell a heart hanging on the wall. They sell some plants. They sell this guy. Look at it. On the other side here of the store, a stuffed chicken, another stuffed fox. There you go. I don't know what this statue means to say, but weird. Burger King. They're grilling since 1954. Isn't that something? And I'm walking around since 1954. Oh boy. This is funny, guys. Everything with 20% extra. So. Do we add 20%? I don't know. So guys, right there, they're building a new building. And it's like this in this country, when you build a building new from scratch, you have to pay 21% taxes to the government. Unless you keep a little part of the old building, meaning one wall is good enough. And if you keep one wall, you pay only 6% taxes to the government. So look at what they're doing. See, I showed you this building, and look at that was the old building. That's the front part of the old building, and that's the only part they're keeping. And so for that, see what they have to do to keep that one wall in place. That's a lot of work to keep that one wall in place, see? But you only pay 6% instead of 21%. Isn't that crazy? So there was a piece of useless information for you guys. There you go. Look at, guys, it says Delen. It's a private bank. Yeah, it's fun. And if you translate that, it says sharing bank. So the name of a bank is Share. Sure. There is the train station, guys. And take a look. The monument right in front of it is a Mr. Bolt special. It's like a Soviet-style monument. It's no mosaic, but it comes close to a Soviet-style structure, that's for sure. There you have it. There we have it, guys. This is the famous brewery famous beer that they specially invented for the students. So there you go. And normally there are guided tours to go and see the brewery, but yeah, these days nothing is normal, so no guided tours today. So we have to wait until the world gets a little bit back to normal, I guess, if at all.
Like and subscribe.